They have increased, getting out to Denton, 21 sustained winds there, along with the Sanger, increasing in Arlington up to 18 and 20-mile-per-hour winds in McKinney. And those are gusts around the Metroplex. A 29 in McKinney right now, 25 as we get out to Terrell, and a 30-mile-per-hour wind gust heading over to Arlington. So anticipate that for the rest of today with those gusty winds. In fact, as we look at the wind gust forecast taking us into the afternoon, we could be up over 40 miles per hour by late this afternoon with some of those gusts. So that is why we do have that wind advisory along with that red flag warning. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 60s all around here for you. Late this morning, heading out to Wiley and McKinney at 61, along with Anna right now. Back up to 65, heading out to Aledo, and 64 heading over to Weatherford. So those temperatures only in the upper 60s to around 70 today, but we will have that higher fire danger with the red flag warning a little farther west and that wind advisory for a large part of North Texas as well. Now, on the satellite radar composite, lots of sunny skies expected as we go through the day, and that will be the case all around the region for today. So no issues as far as any storms are concerned. Anytime soon, we're going to keep it dry, but that does change for us as we head into next week. And you see those cooler temperatures, those 80s and 90s we had a couple of days ago. Those have gotten pushed off the map for now, it looks like, for us across the area. Now, those highs as we go into the next few days below normal as we wrap up the week tomorrow, only around 70 degrees. Then we'll be in the low mid 80s as we get into Saturday and Sunday, and then the moisture starts to increase on Sunday as well. Things will start to change. We'll see an overall shift in our weather pattern with that upper low setting up out to our west as we get into next week. So storms will be back in the forecast. This dry line will begin to move in, and we'll start to have a little more activity along it. So severe storms are possible. Just kind of file that away and think about that as we head into next week. Enjoy the weekend, but no, we will have that chance for some storms increasing probably during the afternoon and evening on Monday and Tuesday. Right now, it looks like all modes of severe weather could be possible. So keep checking back for updates to the forecast as you wrap up the weekend and get prepared for next week. So here's how things may look with those showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening. Now, eventually we'll see a cold front move in as we get into Tuesday night and Wednesday, and that should take the thunderstorms out of the picture toward the latter half of next week, and we'll have some slightly cooler temperatures by then as well. So only around 70 today and tomorrow, low mid 80s, up around 86, maybe heading into Sunday, and then about a 30 to 40% coverage right now with those showers and thunderstorms through the middle of next week, and then slightly cooler as well toward next Thursday and Friday.